love splendor. I love all we love so well. I love beauty. I love splendor. I love forever in my heart. I love beauty. I love splendor. I love all we love the best. I love beauty. I love splendor. Isle for which our fathers toiled. Praise be to God for the beauty of all, for the land that we love, our island. In the light of nature's beauty, Dominica, God bless you. With hearts and hopes united, we stand or fall by thee. Our Isle of beauty, Isle of splendor, Isle to all so sweet and fair. Isle of beauty, Isle of splendor, from the brow of many a hill. For Isle of beauty, Isle of splendor, Isle whom God would as fain protect. And may we as people live forevermore in peace. For God, to the God that made us able, He has blessed us, and we know. Keep I love beauty, I love splendor, I love all we love so well. I love beauty, I love splendor, I'll to all so sweet and fair. For He has given us a place, and has blessed us with His grace. Our sweet Dominica, God who's after to all of us along. With the help of God we will blossom and grow in the heart of the Caribbean. I love beauty, I love splendor, I love all wherein we love to live. I love beauty, I love splendor, I'll to all of us so dear. O God of all creation, bless our island home. Teach us to live. May we fulfill our destiny. Dominica, God bless thee.
All the verdure of the mountain, all the beauty of the sea,